Tell me that you love me.
Hi everybody, this is your Mathi. Welcome to Bring Divine Mind channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. Today we are going to see about the video on Kinemaster tutorial part 4. So in this I am going to teach you that how you can add layers in Kinemaster. Hope this video will be very useful for you. Shall we go to the video? Hi everybody, in today's video we are going to see about how to add the layers. That is when you are playing your video, some layers will be on the top of the screen, right? So how to add those layers? Now I'm going to teach you that. You just take a sample video and you're going to edit in that video. See, this is the video I have taken. The most important thing is how we are going to... Okay. Now I'm going to add a layer on the top of this side corner, both the corners. I want to add a layer. First I'm going to add the first layer. So you have to choose that from which place of the video you have to bring that layer. So I want it from the starting. Okay, I'm just going to give a description about me. So I just kept it in the starting area and I press layer. In layer I'm just going to press text. So I am going to write as Mathi, NLP Master Trainer and Life Coach. Okay, and it should come here. Okay, so the word will be displayed like this. If I want to move this, I can move this. If you want it as white color, let it be. If you want to change the color also, you can change. If you scroll like this, it becomes minimized. If you want to expand also, you can do. You can use it. If you want to keep it this corner also, you can keep. This corner also you can keep. You just press it with your hand and you just drag it. Okay, it will come automatically. If I want to make it as a bold, you just press this AA, noto cherif bold, so it becomes bold. If you want to change the color, you just press this dot, so you can change the color. Since it is I want to use pink color or blue color. Okay, so it comes like this. Blue is somewhat odd, so I can choose pink color. So it changed. Now if you have to extend this layer, because throughout the video you want to display that. So what happens is you just click this layer and you just drag it. Okay. Now I want to add one more layer on this side. So what I am doing is, again I want to choose that from which area I have to add that layer. So from the starting only. So I kept the position here. Okay, I just kept it here and I'm going to click the layer, then text. Now I'm going to give the channel name, Bring Divine Mind. See, now you just move to this corner. The same way you just choose the color pink so that it will be uniform in color, and then noto cherif bold. Fine, you choose both the sides as equal color, then only it will be looking good. Okay, now what you're going to do is you just expand this Bring Divine Mind also till the end. Fine, now you play. The most important thing is how we are going to say something is very important than what we are going to say. See, both the sides you are having the layer which you have added. So it is very easy and it is a very simple method. So anyone can add any layer in your video with the help of this Kinemaster. Okay, even if you want to display any image by the side also, with the help of same procedure, just you scroll down the video and you choose the location from where the layer should be added. That's it. Hope this video is very useful for you in order to add layer as you like. Thank you so much for your patience listening. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and you got a clear idea that how you can make titles on your videos by the side and all those things, how you can insert letters or pictures, all those things. I'm sure that it was very useful for you. Thank you so much for your patience listening. Thank you.